how to remove songs from Instagram posts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a song from one of your posts on Instagram. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So before we get started, it's important to note that there is no remove song setting that we can go into a post and just delete the song. We need to use a workaround that I found. And in order to use that workaround, we need to enable brand content. But I'll show you how to do that later in the video. So to remove a song from a post on Instagram, all we need to do is first open up Instagram on our iPhone or Android phone, then select the post that has the song in it. As you can see, this has a song. To remove that song, all I need to do is select the three dots in the top right of the post, and then scroll down and select Partnership Label and Ads. From there, select Add Paid Partnership Label, and that's it. Select Done. It'll bring me back to the post, and as you can see, the song is gone. So it no longer plays. There's no longer the audio icon on the bottom right of the post. That song has been removed from that post. Now, if you're missing the partnership label and ads option, I'll show you how to quickly get that on my test account here. So all we need to do is select the three lines in the top right of Instagram, then select settings and privacy. And once you're in the settings, scroll down near the bottom and select account type and tools. From here, select branded content and then set up branded content tools. From there, read through all this, select enable, and then you're done. So we can close out of that. And when we go back to Instagram, I can select this post that has a song, then I can hit the three dots, and I now have partnership label and ads, where then I can turn it on and quickly remove that song from that post. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.